Meso's right in front of us. The rotation's right there. Just wait, it's gonna pass over. Rotation's right in front of us right there. I'm gonna try. Look, there's a foam cloud right in there. Oh, that's a foam cloud. Right there, that's a foam cloud. That's a big ass foam cloud. Wow. This storm is hauling ass at us. We just had the first part of it roll over. Well, I'm gonna step outside. This is actually, this is very bad right now. We have a funnel cloud right in front of us right there. It's really spinning. I'm getting wet, but I don't care. We have a funnel cloud right in front of us, right there. Velocity, right there actually. Velocity is showing it. Velocity showing it right there in front of us. It's starting to fizzle. That's okay, but yeah, the rotation's in front of us right now. All of it. This whole thing's rotating. Look. Holy shit. We might get some monster hail. It's saying that. It is rotate. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a shelf cloud. Ow. That's a shelf cloud over there. Sorry, the rain scared me, but that is a monster. Wow. I'm gonna go to the front probably. This is a monster storm right now. It looks like the rotation is starting to fizzle out, but no, it's still going. It was back there, but it's starting to really push now. Oh, we're gonna get some monster winds. Holy fuck. Oh, wow. Wow. Right? Just, whoa. Bro, this is gonna be a monster storm. I feel it. This is the cold front moving in. Wow. Even over there, it was all rotating, bro. It was all rotating. Here we go. I actually ended the video. I fixed it. Here. We got construction going on over there for the road. Imagine the power goes out. That'd be awesome. Holy. Holy shit. This might be a tornado. That's a tornado. That might be a tornado. Oh my god, power flash. This might be a microburst. The wind's rotating. The wind's rotating. Oh my god, look. Look. The wind's, oh. I might be going in, we're in a we might. Holy shit. It's fogging up. I'm going back out. Wait. Is it rotating the rain? Yo, it's spinning. Yo, I might have to go to the basement. This is actually really not good. The rotation's heading right over us now. Wow. Power's not out yet. Surprise. Wow. I'm getting wet. There. I'm getting soaked. I don't have good news right now. This is probably... Winds aren't bad now, but... That was crazy. Wind switched. Yep, the wind's switching now. Doesn't look good. It doesn't show up on camera well, but see? Wind switching on us now. There might be a tornado. Wow. Now it's going north, the wind. Now west. It's going every way. Yo, I'm so sorry for shaking and yelling. Wow. Car's gonna go out probably. I never... Shit, I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. Time to go in. That might be a microburst or a tornado. I don't know what the fuck that was. The winds got so strong. It's like rotating every way. Can't even see the trees. There. Can't even see the trees.